How to see login
cache
activity
and
on
cookies from
Instagram
Facebook
on
on
Android.
Android.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to check who logged in into your Instagram account. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Sign into your account. Navigate to profile at bottom right. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Look for the option of Account Center and tap to open it. Scroll down. Now tap on Password and Security and select where you are logged in. And here you need to choose your Instagram account. And here you will see all your devices or the Instagram account which has been logged into other devices. If you find suspicious devices, you can tap Select Devices to log out. And then you need to check mark the particular device and tap on Logout. Tap on Logout button to confirm, and with this you will remove that particular device where our Instagram account has been logged in. So by doing so, you can easily check who logged into your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.